I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to download this, so just keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey gamers, so today I'll show you a hunting sniper hack. So this is for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can turn on unlimited gems and unlimited coins. So let's turn that stuff on just so you guys can see. It should start going up. So let's see what happens to our account. And you guys will see the magic, so hopefully it does rise up into the clouds. And yep, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So if you're poor, you've got to watch this video. So as you can see guys, we're going to go over to tweakmod.com. This is the website guys. So on the site, I can't type it obviously, but once you're on this site, what you're gonna do is just type in hunting sniper, okay? So let me just type it in, and then just press install, and before it downloads it's gonna be a verification. So this is the last step. You gotta download 2 apps and follow instructions, 100% free, all from official app store. So I'm gonna see you later, but that's how to do it. So yeah, if you're broke in hunting sniper, you're gonna love this. It's not for broke people, it's for people that are poor with a rich person mindset. So as you can see, it's loading. So the last step is going to be that verification, where we just need to download 2 of the apps and follow instructions. So as you can see guys, it's going to say like missing files, so you just want to download 2 of these. So like Family Island says reach level 11, it's a game. And then there's like tons of apps. True Finance. This one you guys search it up. DraftKings World Winner, you gotta download Run for 30. So I'll see you later, but yeah, peace out, bro.